Hi, and welcome to the listening section of Celpip. We have been learning reading, speaking, and writing strategies, and now we'll train you on the listening strategies also. It is important that you understand these strategies from exam perspective because it's a very scoring section. So, listening is a scoring section, and you should be able to score high if you follow the strategies well. First, let's just get an overview of the questions or the tasks that will come in listening. There will be total six tasks. Six tasks are there, and in that, you would also have questions. So, the first question which comes is called listening to problem solving, and it has 8 questions. This is divided into 3 subparts, so it's easier than the other questions or the other tasks that will come after this because the audio length is very less. Since the audio length is less, it's easy to grasp and kind of keep it in your mind. Now, in the exam, you will be given a pen and paper, so you can make notes if you want. However, it is always best to go with active listening. What is active listening? It means that you need to work on your skill of understanding the conversation as if you need to tell that conversation to a third person. So it should be totally in your mind, kind of memorized, and you don't need to write at all. Try to listen to the underlying emotions, the tone, the person who's speaking. There are always two people who are involved in the conversation, mostly one man, one woman, and it's an audio. So it is easy to understand, simple language, and everyday life. So the situations mostly are from work or say something which happens at a personal level. So listen to the conversation, grasp it, and try to understand what exactly is happening in it. Like, what is the problem? What is the solution they're trying to find? What is the interaction between the two people? All this should be understood by you more than writing. So you can avoid writing in this section and just listen to it actively. Active listening definitely will help. The second section which comes is called listening to a daily conversation. Like the name suggests, daily life conversation also is about everyday life. So Celpip listening is actually quite easy because it's almost every question relates to what you do in everyday life. So daily life conversation again is about work or personal places, like personal situations that can happen. And in this, what you have to do is understand again is the same strategy. Active listening is what will help you grasp the conversation and then answer the questions which come after that. But here's the difference between the two. The first one, we had it in 3 subparts. Now this specific listening to a daily life conversation, you will have 5 questions, and the audio will play just once. So it will be a 1.5 minute audio which will play continuously. We will tell you about the other parts in the next video, so keep watching.